up. Let's start again. Labalaba fira reweye, shisheye. Labalaba fira reweye, shisheye. Ele shisheye, ele shisheye, ele shisheye, ele shisheye. Ah, labalaba fira reweye. Labalaba fira reweye. Again, because you did well, you sang it beautifully, as if you're a Yoruba speaker. I'm amazed. I shall tell you this short story. Once upon a time, there was a butterfly called Labalaba. Very beautiful butterfly. All the colors of rainbow was represented on her wings. But there was something strange about this Labalaba. Every morning, I mean every single morning, Rob. Every single morning, rather than fly around and show off her beauty, she would perch on top of a hill and look at birds flying. Oh, I just want to be a bird. People will say to her, Labalaba, you're beautiful. All you need to do is just flap around and everybody will be happy. Oh no, I don't want to flap around. I just want to be a bird. Oh, I want to soar like the birds. Oh, how beautiful, how wonderful. And she will sit there staring at birds. She wasn't being Labalaba, was she? She was just amazed at birds and she wanted to fly, soar. After a long time, I think one day she was just tired of just mopping at birds. And so she decided, I'll just get away from the rocks and then just fly. So she lifted her wing, dropped off. There's still one. She lifted the other wing, dropped off. Ouch. And so she walked around on her legs around the village. And of course, she lived miserably and unhappily ever after. And from that day, the legend about Labalaba, who wanted to be a fly, was just going around. And so, the parents who saw her when she was beautiful would tell their children, there goes Labalaba, the walking butterfly. Do you know why she walks around? She just didn't want to be Labalaba, she wanted to be a bird. And all of her wings kicked off. And that's the end of the story. So, I'm going to say goodbye now. I'm going to round off, but because you sang beautifully, I will tell you the meaning of the song. Labalaba fira reweye means the butterfly tries to be a bird. What you said, ele shisheye, just means no, she would never be a bird. Thank you.